Welcome to Roll for Creature, inspired by Adventures in Ardia's Roll for Sandwich series, where we will build a customized beast for my very last wizard tower, the beastiary. So let's get right to it. And we are going to start our rolls with creature type. That's a 14, it'll be undead. Next, alignment. That is a 10, so I get to pick, and I will choose that after I've rolled everything else. Next up, roll for size. That is a 2, medium size. Next is wings, odd for yes, even for no. And that is a yes for wings. Next up, will our creature have horns? Nope, that is a 1. How about some tails? 4, okay, 3 or more tails, great. Next up, we're gonna pick 2 colors. And we've got red and pink. Okay, that works. Next, any additions to the face? Okay, 6. No, there's no 6. Okay, 4 is a trunk. Please, will it have eyes? Not 3 or more. How about some legs? None? No legs? What is this creature? Okay, last but not least, wild magic. And we are going to make it slimy. Excellent. So, as a recap, we are making a medium undead creature with wings, no horns, 3 or more tails, red and pink in color. It's gonna have a trunk on its face, 3 or more eyes, no legs, and we're gonna make it slimy. And I've decided that this creature is chaotic evil. I don't know why, but I decided to start on the wings first, and I made it out of paper and toothpicks. And now for the head and body. Medium is quite small, so I had these box of skulls. I figured I would use one of them, and I just drilled a hole for the third eye. And everything else, I am using epoxy putty to sculpt. I've got my 3 tails. I kind of made them a little bit spiky. And then I attached the spine and the wings to the head of the creature. And I made use of this plastic container that held my epoxy putty. Before I ventured into crafting this beast out of epoxy putty, I did try with terracotta clay, and definitely do not recommend for something this tiny. I am really glad that I found that I still had some epoxy putty lying around. So after all that sculpting, we have our beast. And now we must paint our beast. And remember, I rolled red and pink for the colors, but I also decided that it was okay if I used black and white. So I ended up with many different shades of red and pink. I really enjoyed when the creature was just red and black. I thought that that was a really cool look for him, but in the end, he's looking super fleshy, and now we must make him slimy. So I'm going to add a layer of art coat on top. And I forgot to mention, I didn't add a trunk to him because he is undead and he wouldn't actually have a trunk. He is basically just skin and bones. And I love how he turned out. This is such a cool little creature. And now I need name suggestions for him. So leave those in the comments.